Cholesterol, it's a word that often sends shivers down our spines. The very mention of it can evoke a sense of unease and worry, but why is that? We know it's linked to heart health, but the details can feel shrouded in mystery. Is all cholesterol bad? Or is there more to the story? How much is too much? And how do we strike the right balance? The truth is, cholesterol is a complex molecule that plays a vital role in our bodies. It's not just a villain lurking in our bloodstream. Cholesterol is a building block for cell membranes, hormones, and vitamin D. Without it, our bodies wouldn't function properly. The key to understanding cholesterol lies in recognizing that not all cholesterol is created equal. There are different types, each with its own role and impact on our health. In this essay, we'll delve into the world of cholesterol, exploring the good, the bad, and the downright ugly. We'll break down the science and make it easy to understand. We'll debunk common myths, unravel scientific findings, and equip you with the knowledge to take charge of your heart health. It's time to separate fact from fiction. Cholesterol isn't something we eat in isolation. It's influenced by a myriad of factors, including our diet, lifestyle, and even genetics. Our dietary choices play a crucial role in influencing our cholesterol levels and overall heart health. By making informed decisions, we can manage our cholesterol effectively and lead healthier lives. So, let's embark on this journey together and uncover the truths about cholesterol. Let's begin with the hero of our story, high-density lipoprotein or HDL cholesterol. HDL is often referred to as the good cholesterol, and for good reason. It plays a crucial role in maintaining our cardiovascular health. Often dubbed good cholesterol, HDL acts like a scavenger, picking up excess cholesterol from the bloodstream and transporting it back to the liver for disposal. This process is vital because excess cholesterol can lead to the formation of plaque in our arteries, which can cause serious health issues. Think of HDL as a garbage truck, diligently collecting and removing waste from our cardiovascular system. Just like a garbage truck keeps our streets clean, HDL keeps our arteries free from the buildup of harmful cholesterol. Higher levels of HDL are associated with a reduced risk of heart disease, acting as a protective force against plaque buildup in our arteries. This protective role is crucial because plaque buildup can lead to atherosclerosis, a condition where the arteries become narrowed and hardened. This process helps to keep our arteries clear and our blood flowing smoothly, reducing the risk of blockages that can lead to heart attacks and strokes. By ensuring that excess cholesterol is removed from the bloodstream, HDL helps to maintain the elasticity and health of our arteries, which is essential for overall cardiovascular health. So, the next time you hear about HDL, remember its vital role in keeping your heart and arteries in top shape. On the flip side, we have low-density lipoprotein, or LDL cholesterol, often labeled as bad cholesterol. LDL tends to deposit cholesterol in the walls of our arteries, contributing to the formation of plaque. Imagine LDL as a mischievous gremlin, leaving sticky residue in our pipelines. Over time, this plaque buildup can narrow and harden our arteries, restricting blood flow and increasing the risk of heart disease. Factors such as an unhealthy diet, lack of exercise, and smoking can all contribute to elevated LDL levels. Emerging from the shadows is a lesser-known but equally menacing culprit, remnant cholesterol. This form of cholesterol lingers in the bloodstream after our bodies digest triglycerides, a type of fat found in our food. Recent studies have revealed that remnant cholesterol is as significant a contributor to heart disease as LDL cholesterol. It's like discovering a hidden villain lurking in the background, quietly wreaking havoc on our cardiovascular systems. This discovery underscores the importance of comprehensive cholesterol management, going beyond simply focusing on LDL levels. Misconceptions about cholesterol abound, often leading to unnecessary worry or complacency. One common myth is that all dietary cholesterol is harmful. In reality, our bodies produce most of the cholesterol we need. While it's true that saturated and trans fats can raise LDL cholesterol, dietary cholesterol from foods like eggs has a minimal impact on blood cholesterol levels for most people. Another myth is that HDL cholesterol is always protective. While HDL does play a beneficial role, its function is more nuanced than previously thought. The quality and efficiency of HDL particles matter more than the absolute number. Maintaining healthy cholesterol levels is essential for preventing and managing heart disease. High cholesterol is a major risk factor for heart attacks, strokes, and other cardiovascular events. By lowering LDL cholesterol and raising HDL cholesterol, we can reduce the risk of plaque buildup in our arteries, improving blood flow, and protecting our hearts. Cholesterol management is not a one-size-fits-all approach. Factors such as age, family history, and overall health status play a role in determining individual risk and treatment strategies. The good news is that we can take proactive steps to lower our cholesterol levels and improve our heart health. High cholesterol is a significant risk factor for heart disease, but with the right lifestyle changes, we can manage and even reduce it. It's all about making informed choices and sticking to them consistently. Here are some practical tips. Embrace a heart-healthy diet. This means making conscious decisions about what we eat every day. Our diet plays a crucial role in determining our cholesterol levels. Focus on consuming plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. These foods are rich in nutrients and fiber, which can help lower cholesterol. Fiber, in particular, helps reduce the absorption of cholesterol into the bloodstream. Limit saturated and trans fats, which are found in many processed foods, fatty meats, and full-fat dairy products. These fats can raise your LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, which increases the risk of heart disease. Instead, opt for healthier fats like those found in olive oil, avocados, and nuts. Get moving. Engage in regular physical activity. Exercise is a powerful tool for improving heart health and lowering cholesterol. It helps increase HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol, and can also help you maintain a healthy weight. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity exercise per week. This can include activities like brisk walking, cycling, swimming, or even dancing. Maintain a healthy weight. Losing even a small amount of weight can have a significant impact on cholesterol levels. Excess weight can contribute to high cholesterol, so shedding those extra pounds can make a big difference. Quit smoking. Smoking lowers HDL cholesterol and increases the risk of heart disease. The chemicals in cigarettes can damage the blood vessels, making them more susceptible to plaque buildup. This can lead to atherosclerosis, a condition where the arteries become narrowed and hardened. Quitting smoking is one of the best things you can do for your heart health. The benefits of quitting start almost immediately and continue to improve over time. Medications. In some cases, lifestyle changes alone may not be sufficient to lower cholesterol levels. Despite our best efforts, genetics and other factors can play a role in our cholesterol levels. Your doctor may recommend medications such as statins to help manage your cholesterol. These medications can be very effective in lowering LDL cholesterol and reducing the risk of heart disease. Remember, small changes can make a big difference over time. It's about making sustainable choices that you can stick with in the long run. Every little step counts. By incorporating these healthy habits into your daily routine, you can take control of your cholesterol and protect your heart health. It's never too late to start making positive changes. Your heart will thank you for it.